Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. It is finally a what I eat in a day. But I have been doing this SlimFast Keto lifestyle for a couple of days now, so I thought I would share my typical day whilst doing this diet, as I think it could be quite interesting for you out there that have seen the product but are not sure how it works and what to expect. So if you want to see what I eat in a day whilst doing the SlimFast Keto diet, keep watching. Hello, it is morning and I'm ready to start my day. I've made my bed, I tidied the bedroom a little bit, and I'm now going to make my way into the kitchen to prepare my shake, and I'll have it with some berries. It's the perfect breakfast. It's quite filling, it's full of nutrients, and it means that I don't have to spend a whole long time preparing it. So come with me, let's make breakfast. We have arrived. As you can see, my flat is quite small, so the journey from the bedroom to the kitchen, very quick. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my shake. Is super simple. I tend to change between having it just with a shaker and also blending it in a blender. I like to do the one in the blender in the morning because obviously I have more time in the morning and it just feels a bit more special to wake up and have a nicely prepared shake. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's that easy. It takes me less than 2 minutes, and I like to have my shake followed with some berries. This is so perfect for the mornings, especially for me. I am not great at spending hours cooking breakfast. That's more for like weekend. So you know, taking less than 10 minutes to have everything ready for breakfast, not even 10, what, 5, is perfect. And I can use that time to sit down, do some emails. So perfect. And once I'm done preparing that, I come into the living room. I do a little setup. It's my thing in the morning. I put the TV on, I have my shake, I slowly eat my berries and get some work done, do some editing. And I've just finished that now. So I'm thinking of doing a spin class soon. I bought a spinning bike a while ago, so it's great that I can stay active. But also having the shake in the morning just makes me feel great, which actually makes me want to go and do some exercise. Normally I'd probably just stay here, be lazy, but I just feel great and ready to do a little bit of exercise. 30 minutes in the spin bike, quick shower, and I need to get ready because I have actually a lot of errands to run. I have to go to the post office, I have to get some groceries, I need to get back, do some emails. So I'm going to prepare my second shake and then have it as I'm getting ready. I'm going to do a quick makeup just so I look more presentable, and come along. Makeup done. I just sat down to finish my nuts. I'm such a slow eater, it's ridiculous. But anyways, I have finished getting ready. I have quite a lot of things to do. I have to print some postage labels. I'm sending some things off, so I need to go to the post office. I need to go to the supermarket, get some groceries. I also need to stop by the concierge to collect a parcel. So quite a bit going on. I'm going to pack my fuel bar with me. That's such a great snack on the go. Whenever I get hungry, I don't have to make silly decisions. I have it right in my bag, ready to have. So I'm gonna grab it, get my stuff, and go. So I've been out for a couple of hours now and I'm starting to get peckish, so it's the perfect time to have my fuel bar. This is such a great on-the-go snack. It's filled with good fats from peanuts. It also has the most delicious caramel and chocolate flavor. Delicious on-the-go snack, and we don't have to worry. It's only 200 calories. So I'm going to have that now and I'll see you guys later. Home, and I still have a couple of hours of work ahead of me, so I'm gonna get on with that. And then later on I'm going to cook a keto dinner. I found it at SlimFast website. They have like a whole section with keto recipes, so I'm going to cook their cauliflower pizza base. I think that sounds delicious, so I'm going to film that. Then I'll catch up with you guys later. How delicious did that look? Not because I cooked, but just saying, it looked and tasted amazing. Who knew you can make a pizza base with cauliflower? The things you learn with SlimFast. Before I end this video, I thought I'd stop by and just do a little catch up. I feel great. I love the structure of the diet and having the shakes alongside keto meals. I feel like it's a very easy to maintain diet. It's very to the point and the recipes are delicious. And also, if you guys want me to maybe do an update in a couple of weeks or months, let me know. If there are any questions, drop them down below. I'm also going to leave the link to all the recipes, to SlimFast's website, everything on the description box. But I guess that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day with SlimFast. But until next time, bye.